Hi everyone, hope everyone's well, ready for Christmas. So as you can see, this is not silver. No, I've not wrapped it. No, definitely not wrapped it. This is another van. I warn you, we are still going to carry on wrapping that other van. I've mentioned it once in another video I've just posted up not long ago. So health warning that somebody said to me, make sure, for laughs and giggles, we are going to wrap that silver van. No matter what, I'm going to have a go. I want to learn how to do it. So this van, I've just recently purchased it. It's not brill, it's got a few faults. Bodyweight wise, it ain't got any disease. Somebody's been around with a touch-up pen and basically tried to cover the van with the wrong coloured pen. So it don't look good. I want to try and get it off, but I'll show you around the van, do a bit of a walk round, see what you think to it, see what we can do with it. It has, you probably can't see it because it's dark, getting dark, but there is a snapped injector which we're going to have to try and do, and that's not good. I've never done one before, but I want to get the front of the van off and start from scratch, give it a good wash out, chuck all the seats, but I'll show you around. Let's get the camera going and show you around it rather than just keep talking. There we go. So we'll do inside first thing. We're here. Typical van. That engine belongs to something else. Quite an high-powered sports car, I think, so it's got to go. That they're coming to get rid of that for me. Belongs to a customer. But generally inside, luckily it's not had too much denting on outside with no panelling. Normally most vans without any panelling at all get quite battered, so we'll do this side. You can see all this stuff here. It's not the camera, it's not got some sort of problem, it's somebody's touched it with a completely wrong colour. Got a nice passenger side mirror there that works mint. We've got garden growing there, seems to be a theme of this van. The airbox does not live there, like we all know. We've got, what else have we got? Air vents that work, but we'll go out over the side. You can see more in there. What's that? I think that's off the seat. So yeah, go around this side and a scratch on that wing there. It looks generally good from front. The old dreaded towing eye. Yeah, we've got a garden growing there, an allotment on there. You can probably see in there that injector's gone there. I can point my finger at that one there. It's snapped off, so I've never attempted to get one of these out at all, so we're gonna have to give that a go. It may have to call someone in to do it. I don't know. I've never done one. So if there's any tooling that somebody's used, any slide hammers that they could recommend. Like, it's the top thread that's snapped, so is there something I can get to put on it to pull it off? I don't know, but let me know in the comments if you've had one done or you've done one yourself. We've got ECUs hanging off, boost pressure sensors hanging off, fuse box covers open. That's never a good sign. That heater thing there is leaking. That preheat thing there, most people just put a bit of 22mm pipe on that and cap that off. That's going to get binned off by the looks of it. The heater's missing, as you can see, that's in the back. Got green there, look at that one there. We've got green growing there. We've got garden allotment, another quality mirror install. There, and more pond life. So the dashboard's been ripped, I would imagine, to get to the BCM, which is in there, look, and this has been ripped off here. So we've done a few of these on the channel and stuff. We're going to get this dashboard out and replace it, probably with a binnacle one like I did on the other van. So probably quite a lot of information when that dashboard comes out. It shows you where the wiring is for the electric windows. I'm hoping this has got the wiring in for the windows. I'll have a quick look around passenger side actually, see if the actual wires are there, and I can get a relay, then we're halfway there. Seat don't look too bad, to be fair, but what seats do you want me to fit? Do you want me to try and get a seat that somebody wants to fit? I don't mind changing these. I've got a mini seat in mind at the minute with a video on it, but do you want me to fit a different type of seat? See what comments we get, see which is the best seat, and we'll see if we can find it from a breakers. We'll take these out. They look like they've been looked after, to be honest, these seats. But we'll probably swap them. We'll put something nice in. So let me know what you've got or what you want to see fitted. and we'll give it a go. I can't get in the back of it because the door lock, the latch has snapped. I've got to climb over that pallet. But I think, listen to that, the little arms come off in the door to the latch. Could be a bit of a problem, but we'll get in and we'll get these doors open. They don't look too bad actually, these doors, to be honest. Just a little bit of a dint there, which might be able to pop out from inside, and it's had a bit of a smack there. There is a bit on one of these quarters as well there. We've got a couple of marks there. So this van's good for the channel. You can get it up in the air, get the wheels off, look at the brakes, shockers, calipers on back, handbrake cables, all the general information. So let's just have a look. Let's see if we've got a relay thing up there. Right, so we've got a top relay. Hang on a minute. Oh, we're zooming out there, sorry, hang on, wrong way. Right, I need to put this down here and have a look up there. Right. So this van does not have, let me double check, I'm not telling you something I shouldn't be telling you. Right, any wiring for the electric windows. Now there is a white box up there. I can't show you. Can't do it. That's one for another day. So sorry about that. So up under the dash, I'm dying to know because I can't stand manual windows. Up under the dash there's a white block connector. And I've never seen one of them on a van before. Normally the wires are in that unit, like if you look at my other video. Now it's not on this van. It's only a year below the one I've got, and this is a 2 litre. So like I said, always check that wiring's there, but there's a white block and I don't know what it is. So that'll be a bit of an investigation for us, I think. So it's quite, I've never seen that, like a black block at the side of that relay. So I'm hoping it might be something different with this make of van. Not so much make of van, but maybe it has been added in, because mine's a Vauxhall, this is a Renault. They might have added something separate onto it. In fact, I don't know. That's something we can find out later on, can't we, when we strip it. So this is the van. Hope you've enjoyed a bit of a walk around what we're doing next on the channel. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed, everyone that's given us thumbs up, likes. We've had a laugh and a giggle about that wrapping. Let's get them watchers. There's about 10,000 in 28 days. Let's get them into subscribers, and I'd like that. It'd be great if you would, if you like what I'm doing. So yeah, we can work between 12 fans. So that should be a lot of watching, a lot of content coming. So thanks everyone that has subscribed again. And if you haven't hit that thumbs up button, give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch everybody in the next video. So thanks very much, and I'll see you. What am I doing? I've got a little button here that I press. To be honest, look, I pressed that to turn everybody off, so I must have zoomed in and out. Sorry about that. I'll catch everyone in the next video. Bye for now.